Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream gelato. First, gather your ingredients: whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and egg yolks. Begin by whisking the egg yolks and sugar until light and creamy. Gently heat the milk and cream, then temper the hot liquid into the egg mixture. Cook this custard base slowly until it thickens, ensuring it doesn't boil. This careful process creates the smooth foundation for your delicious gelato. Once your custard base is completely chilled, it's time to churn. Transfer the cold base to your ice cream maker. Churning gelato differs from ice cream. It's done at a slower speed and for a shorter duration. This method minimizes air incorporation, resulting in a denser, more intense flavor. You'll know it's ready when it resembles soft-serve ice cream, typically within 20 to 30 minutes. Now for the exciting part, adding flavor. For classic vanilla, stir in a high-quality vanilla bean paste or extract after churning. If you're using fruit purees, fold them in gently at this stage. For mix-ins like chocolate chips or chopped nuts, add them during the last 5 minutes of churning. Remember, the key is to enhance the base without overwhelming its delicate texture. Experiment with your favorite combinations. After churning, transfer your freshly made gelato into a shallow, airtight container. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours to firm up. For the best serving experience, let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes before scooping. This allows it to soften slightly, bringing out its rich, creamy texture and full flavor. Enjoy your homemade gelato.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.